Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Hinge dating account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Hinge dating site, go and click open your web browser. Remember that you can do this on your mobile version as well. Now in the search box type in hingeDatingSite.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website of Hinge Dating, click on the sign in button at the upper right. Now enter your email and your password to log in. Start by entering your valid email address that is associated with the account and move over to the next field and type in the password for your account. Again, make sure to type in the correct password in order to log into your account without any kind of a problem or delay. Now, click on this eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password so that you can double check before moving on. Click on I'm not a robot. If you'd like the system to remember you, leave this box checked, but if you are using a public or a shared computer, make sure to turn this off. In case you've forgotten your email, go and click on the forgot email link at the bottom of the sign-in box. Similarly, if you don't remember your password during logging in, go and click on the forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. You can also sign in with your Facebook account. To do so, click on sign in with Facebook. Finally, click on the sign in button after entering all the credentials and you'll be logged into Hinge dating account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.